Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna fix the brightness not changing issue on Windows 11 so you can actually adjust your screen like normal. So first, try updating your display drivers. So to do this, simply press Windows plus X at the same time. Then go to Windows, then go to Device Manager, then Display Adapters. And once you're here, you then have to right click on your GPU and choose Update Driver. So this alone will often fix brightness issues instantly. Now if that doesn't work, you can then check your power settings. So to do this, simply go to Settings, then Systems, then Power and Battery, and finally Screen. So from there, you then have to make sure Change Brightness Automatically is turned off. Then manually adjust the brightness slider. So another tip guys is to simply run the Windows troubleshooter for display problems. So simply go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, then finally Display. From there, simply follow the prompts and it will usually resolve the problem. So after these steps, your brightness controls should work perfectly fine once again. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.